Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce you to an awesome website called Zeal. I've jotted down a few ideas on how you can implement Zeal into your instruction and how it can help with the RTI process. Looking over the Zeal assessments, it seems they are best used for Tier 2 as an exit ticket. For example, after teaching counting to 100 with a small intervention group, you can assign those students to log on to Zeal to take a quick exit ticket for that specific standard. For documentation for the RTI process, you will have your day-to-day or weekly data from Zeal through those exit ticket assignments, and you'll also have a second set of data through the STAR and iReady progress monitoring monthly assessments. And so just a lot of data that you can use to support that RTI process. Now, logging on to Zeal or creating an account is super easy. You sign up using your email, it's free, you create your profile, then you choose your grade level. Level 0 would be kindergarten all the way up to level 8. Creating a class roster is also really easy. You just enter in your student's full name and then you create a class. Once you're complete, then the students will log in through this website, c.zeal.com, and then you can customize your class code. And this is what the students will see. They log in using your class code, they enter in their full name, and they choose whether they are a boy or a girl for the initial start. Once they get in, they are assigned a quick diagnostic to place their knowledge level for each component of math and ELA. The questions range from 2 to 10 each component. It isn't really hard. The only other thing about Zeal is that it's all multiple choice, and that's why it's kind of good for that quick data collection as an exit ticket after your intervention session. So here's an example kindergarten question. They have the option to have the questions read to them. They can draw on the screen, and then they just click on the answer and click next. The awesome thing is that as the students complete each diagnostic component, you get a live view of the student's results. So you'll see here that my student here is online, and it will say that the student will be online by giving you a little green dot by their avatar. And any standards that they are not proficient in will be red. Orange is ready. There is a key that I didn't include here on the screen to tell you what the colors mean. And then you can go back and assign your entire class or a specific group if you filter here. Let's say students are they are struggling with this standard here, B5 for accounting, and you want to assign them a exit ticket after you've taught that standard in your intervention session. You can click here and assign it to your entire class. Then everyone will have that little target symbol. Once the students log in again, instead of seeing all of the components, they only see your assignments. And so they log in, they complete the exit ticket, then you see that live view. If they've mastered it, it will change the colors for them. And a cool thing for students is as they are working through each exit ticket, they collect Zeal coins that really just goes towards changing up their avatar. Nothing really big or exciting on there, but just a kind of fun way for them to collect, or a incentive piece for them. Teachers have the option to kind of speak to a live Zeal help down here if you have a question. The other option under the teacher's domain is you can click here under play and kind of do a race maybe with your small group. If you give your, if you want to kind of adjust the time for that exit ticket, let's say you want your students to complete that exit ticket within 15 minutes of class, and share this view for them. They can see their progress versus the other students in that small group. They can see how many points these students are receiving for each question, and they kind of just, their avatar moves up the line up to that 10th question, I guess. And once everyone has completed, then the teacher gets a screen summary of who did what, how many gold coins were collected, and so forth. So that's just kind of a fun option for you. But that is about it for Zeal. It's really simple and easy. A good way for you to collect that extra day-to-day or weekly RTI progress monitoring documentation that you need, and a good way for you to kind of just track that mastery for your students. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.